All right, y'all, so we are here to do some stretching. If you do have sciatica, stretching is so good for it. Even if you have that low back pain or if your low back feels tight, these stretches will help with those as well. So I just wanted to show you a few of my favorite stretches. So the first one I want to do is the one where we're going to be sitting here in the chair. We're going to grab our leg and put it right over our knee. And I know all these exercises have a name, but I forgot. So we're going to go ahead and go like this, and we're going to bend at the waist forward, just like so. You can kind of put your hands wherever they're comfortable. You can put them out forward. You can put them on your waist. You're going to bend forward just like this. You're really going to feel that stretch in your low back. You're going to feel it here on the IT bands, a little bit on the hips, just like so. And we're going to do both sides 3 times for about 15 to 30 seconds. And then if you want to do like an added stretch, what you're going to do with your forearm or your hand, what you're going to do is put it here on your knee, the other hand here, and you're just going to push down a little bit on your knee to get a little bit more added pressure with a little added stretch. And of course, what we do to one side, we've got to do to the other. So just like so, we're going to go ahead, bend at the waist, like so. Oh, that feels so good. I can feel it just stretching that IT band and my hip flexors like so. Love it. Then after we do that stretch, we're gonna go ahead and stretch out our calves. And I'm gonna start out with a modified version. Sometimes our calves and our hamstrings are very tight. It's a little bit hard for us to reach all the way or reach to the floor. So let's go ahead and try this modified version first. So you're gonna go ahead and get any stool like so. You're gonna plant your foot up like this. We're gonna grab our arms. We're gonna come here and touch our toes. If you can't touch your toes, it's fine. You can go ahead and do a little modified version and grab your ankles. Or if you wanna bend a little bit further down like so, grab your toes just like that. Ooh, I can really feel this stretch in my calf and my hamstrings. It feels so good. And if you like, you can just kind of flex your foot down like so. And then if you don't want to use this footstool, you can just go ahead and use it like this. We're going to sit straight up, bend at the waist, and touch your toes. Just like that. And then we'll get into a couple more. All right, so now we are going to do some stretching standing up, and I just want to show you a few of my favorite old school stretches that we're going to do. So the first one here, we're just going to do our basic toe touches in a few different ways. So first we're going to go ahead and start with our legs width apart like so, and we're just going to bend at the waist and we're going to try to touch our toes. So we're going to come down slowly like so, just like this. And for me, right here at the ankles is where I'm going to stop, because I can really feel, like I said, my hamstrings are tight, little on my calves. So I just want to stay right here. You always want to do a stretch, but never where it's painful. So once I continue doing these on a daily basis, my flexibility, my range of motion is going to be better. So I'll eventually be able to kind of come down further and be able to touch my toes. So try those ones. We're going to do each one 3 times for 15 to 30 seconds. So then after you do that one, then we're going to go ahead and bring our legs a little bit closer together like so. And then we're just going to do this and touch our toes. Whereas for me, I'm going to come about right here. You guys, stretching is just so good on a daily basis, whether you're doing it right when you're getting out of bed or at the end of your day, but stretching is so good for you. So after you try those two, and then we're gonna go ahead and do a little crossover like so, bend at the waist, come on down. You really feel these stretches in that low back, your glutes, some of the IT bands, the hip flexors, and this one can actually help with stability here too and balance. So after you're done with that one, we're gonna come up like so, and then we're gonna do the other side like this. 15 to 30 seconds for each side 3 times. just like that. So try those ones and see if they help too. Show you some stretching to help the hip flexors here a little bit and also the low back. So what we're gonna do is grab the leg, put it over here on her knee like so. We're gonna put our left hand here, and with the right hand, we're gonna put it right here on her hip bone, just so she doesn't move, kind of secure. And what I'm gonna do is have her take a nice deep breath in, and on that exhale, push down just a little bit. Feel that nice stretch here? Go from the side towards the back. Again, hold about 15 seconds. Let it go. Another nice deep breath in and out. There we go. And one more time. Perfect. And then we're gonna bring the leg up like so. We can grab it like this. You put your palm right here on the foot. The other hand is gonna hold over here on that IT band. And what we're gonna do is just push forward. Doing okay? Feels good, huh?
Yes, it does.
Getting
Nice
a real good stretch. Your legs, your hips, low back,
good.
sciatic. Real good, right?
Yes.
Okay, just like so. All right, guys, so we're on the other side. What we do to one side, we're gonna do to the other. So go ahead and put your hand under the knee. Grab the leg like so. Hand here. You can even put the hand here if you like, instead of putting it on the side, whatever's better for you. Come up like so and stretch it out. Okay, Mama? Feels good, huh? We used to get stretched like this every single day in massage school. I miss it.
Nice.
Then we come back down this way. Place it here. Now we put the right hand on the right knee, left hand over on the hip bone. Nice deep breath in and out. Nice. Another deep breath in and out. And if you guys kind of want to do a little bit more advanced technique, what this is called is Pnf Stretchy. I'm going to put my forearm here on her knee, and as I have her push up, I'm going to push down on her knee. So Mom, push up and relax. And then you can push the knee down a little further. Okay, push up again and relax. And you'll see now her knee is touching that table. You are tricking your muscles here to loosen them up. So if you do that, sometimes the hip will open a little quicker and boom, a lot looser. So try those and see if that works for y'all.